Whether it's power inspection, emergency rescue, or traffic patrol, drones have become a powerful assistant for the modern workforce. To further enhance the efficiency of these aerial tools in industry applications, Autel introduces the EVO NEST, an automatic drone charging station. Designed to keep your drone safe from the elements, the EVO NEST is equipped with a retractable canopy, a fiberglass charging board, a built-in air conditioning system, and an industrial-grade IP54 exterior resistant to dust and water. Operators can control the software remotely, planning routes and flight tasks using Autel's advanced automatic control algorithm. The EVO NEST enables drones to take off and carry out consecutive missions with no human intervention. Operators can monitor the whole process in real time and take manual control if necessary. For key inspection objects, collect relevant data through intelligent tracking and real-time thermal temperature imaging. Once operational tasks are complete, the drone will automatically return to the nest for landing, where it can be recharged and ready for its next assignment in as little as 45 minutes. The unit features overcharge protection to ensure charging safety. The EVO NEST can be controlled via the cloud and transmits collected data to a remote console for timely analysis. The EVO NEST is compatible with the EVO 2 series, EVO 2 RTK series, and EVO 2 Enterprise series aircraft. Lightweight and portable, the EVO NEST can be deployed in substations, industrial parks, rooftop decks, and other sites. Simple and easy to use, the EVO NEST is capable of assisting professionals in a wide variety of fields. Free up manpower, reduce operating costs, improve workplace efficiency. The EVO NEST empowers you to do more, to be more. Our one mission is to make sure all your missions go as smoothly as possible. That's why we continue to create safer, more efficient, intelligent solutions time and time again. EVO NEST, infinite operation, infinite possibilities.